So you're on a bike ride and you get a loose spoke and you haven't got a spoke key. Today's one take bike tips, hopefully this will help get you out of a little muddle. That's always a handy thing to remember. So I'm just going to set the camera up because it's important to get the whole thing in shot. Okay, so I'll try and do this in one take. So you've got a loose spoke. If you undo the seat, and then take the seat collar off, you can actually turn this into a spoke key. Just tighten up where you need. I'm trying to do this so it's in shot, it's very difficult. So now you've got a spoke key. You can just clamp that onto the necessary spoke. You have to do a bit of fiddling. And then you can tighten it like this, and then you can apply some tension into your spoke, and then when you're done, that'll be enough to get you home, to get you to your spoke key, and then reposition this. And you're back on the road. Hopefully that's helped. Hopefully that will get someone out of trouble. Thank you for watching. If that's helped you, don't forget like and subscribe. Really easy way to tighten a spoke when you haven't got a spoke key.